Now let's name the 4 drug makers, the pharmaceutical companies making these products that are facing this scrutiny and are perhaps responsible for these deaths. Sresan Pharmaceuticals is based in Tamil Nadu, and NDTV has visited every single one of them. They are the makers of cold reef cough syrup. Then there is Rednex Pharmaceuticals, which is based in Gujarat. It has been told to stop producing cough syrups for the moment. There's a company called Shiv Pharma, also based in Gujarat, has been ordered to stop producing cough syrups at the moment. And then finally, there is Kasan Pharma, based in Jaipur in Rajasthan, where some of those deaths have taken place, where the products have completely been pulled from the market.